Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Google Pixel 10 Pro for the first time. So, this is our out-of-the-box setup flow. So we're gonna go over and start off. Here we choose our language. As you guys can see, we got English, Poland, Polski, Polska, it's Russian. So we're gonna scroll down, go to English, and I'm gonna choose a region, which is the not the United States, but of course you can just choose a region here. You can set up using another device if you want to copy your settings, accounts, and etc. You just need to place your other device around. You click on a pixel, then you scan a QR code. Also, iPhone or iPad, you'll have to download the moving app. So we're gonna skip it for now. Here we connect to the Wi-Fi. So it is really fast. All you have to do is just enter the password, click connect, and once you're in, you should basically be moved to the next step. Now the entire phone is getting ready since we skipped every single backup and retrieval. The phone should be ready in like a minute or so, even less. So now all we have to do is just wait. As you guys can see, we can select who are we setting this device for. So of course the natural answer would be for myself, but if you got this phone for your child, you select the left one if you want some parental controls on it. I'm gonna choose for myself because this phone is for me and not for a kid. So now it's checking the info, and once it checks it all out, we should be ready to proceed. As you guys can see, we can sign in with ease. So we're gonna click next, and it is searching for accounts. So of course it won't find any, so we're gonna sign in another way and enter our mail. So as you guys can see, now we just enter the email. Soon we should see the password, so then I'll see you guys once I enter it. Now I've entered the password. I agree to the terms of service and privacy and policy. Here you can set up a pin, or you can skip it totally. I'm not gonna skip it. I'm gonna put 1 2 3 4 as my pin. Not the safest option, wouldn't recommend it, but still, here you can set up your fingerprint unlock. So we're gonna set up it with a screen protector, or normally depending if you have a screen protector on. I don't, so I'll just press my finger here. We need to lift and touch it again once we feel a vibration. So once you feel a vibration, you need to go over and lift your finger up. Now my fingerprint has been added. We're gonna add the face unlock now. So we have to look into the camera. As I am looking, you guys probably can see me a little. You need to tilt your head up a little and then tilt your head down until you get a notification that everything looks good. We're gonna click next. And as you guys can see, you can copy apps and data. So I'm gonna click next, and it should just pull it up from my account. I'm gonna put it from the backup from this phone right here, and click next. Enter the older screen lock that was on there. Here we can choose what to restore. I'm gonna restore everything. And as you guys can see, now it's restoring our data. It's doing it in the background, so you shouldn't be worried. Here you can send some diagnostic data and etc. I'm gonna click accept here. Turn on backup, it's very important. And here you choose your engine. So I always choose Google Chrome, and I choose it as default, and I use Google or Brave. So I'll choose Google now. And here to view your limited warranty, select the country where you bought this device. So I'm not really sure where this device is from, so I'll choose Poland for an example. Here, as you guys can see, that's everything we get on this phone. Of course, if you bought it in, let's say, United Kingdom, here you have other licenses and limitations. So we're gonna click next, and here we have Hey Google. So we can easily just set it up by turning it on. Now we're gonna scroll down to next. Here you can also agree, and you can skip the Google Wallet. Also, it is just checking for cards, and it will find a card on my account, but I don't have it physically, so it might be really hard to add it. That's why I need to skip it. Here you can set up a few more things like instant translations, identify music around you, and much more. So you can just do that. It's totally useless for me, but if you want it, then I would recommend you setting it up. Here you can get some emails and hardware products informations. We don't want it because it's just spam on our mail. And here our phone is getting ready. So this may take a few minutes. That's why it's probably around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So it should be ready in a second. As you guys can see, we are ready to roll after it was like 1 minute, 2 minutes. We're gonna swipe up, and as you guys can see, we got our phone. It's totally set up, and that's how you guys can use it. So of course, now you're interested in entering your SIM card. Here we got it at the top. Of course, the SIM card is already in this phone, so I'll just show you how I remove it. So you need to go over here with the SIM tray opener. Now once it clicks, it should look like this, and you should be able to just grab it. And here we have our card. Now I can remove it and put it back in. Now I won't have the service, but my phone is still turned on, and it is ready to use. As you guys can see, it's perfect. And that's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.